Sabi niya, hindi niya ako iiwan.
The sudden end of a perfect love.
Most people my age, ngayon pa lang nagpapakasal. Samantalang ako, nakapagpalibing na ng asawa. Haba pa ng buhay ko, but I've already lost the one person worth living for.
Can be the unexpected beginning of another.
What's this?
What else starts with the letter G? Guapo!
Lonely life has been, but life began again.
Nagtataksil ba ako sa asawa ko?
Paano ka magtataksil sa asawa mo? Wala ka nang asawa.
On its 16th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings an extraordinary story of everlasting love.
First time natin isa-celebrate ang birthday ni Oliver na wala na siya. Nakalimutan mo?
Ikaw pa simple ka.
Si Silo mo yun, di ba? Si Lara?
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala sa sinabi ni Audrey na pinalitan mo na nga daw ang anak ko. It's so easy for you. Siguro nga dahil 5 buwan lang kayong kasal.
Kung pwede lang sana, I had 5 more days, 5 more years, 5 more lifetimes with him. You may have loved him longer, but that doesn't mean I loved him any less.
Magpapakamatay ka ba?
Why not? Maybe you care more about me if I die.
Stop it!
No! Don't you get it? I love you.
Tigilan mo na ako.
Just say that you love me too.
Ayoko. Chris, masyado mo akong pinapasaya, nakakalimutan ko siya. Ayokong kalimutan ang asawa ko.
She still loves you. You gotta move on.
Ayoko na.
For me.
Sam Milby, Derek Ramsey, and Bea Alonzo.
Pagod na ako maging malungkot. Ang hirap naman maging masaya kasi nananakit ka ng ibang tao.
A love story that tells us not to be afraid to fall in love again and again.
I love her. I love her more.
I love him so much.
And I Love You So. Directed by Laurenti Giochi, August 12, 2009.